walked into my life, and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mandy, and on my channel I like to upload realistic, relatable videos. I do a bunch of cleaning, decluttering, anything home and lifestyle. That's what you're going to find here. So if you enjoy things like that, and if you are new, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and stick around. But for today's video, it's just going to be a quick little speed clean just to kind of give you some motivation to get some things done around your house. I figured I would just go ahead and get right on into the motivation today. I need to get my bedroom cleaned up, my kitchen, my living room, all the basics. So I figured, why not go ahead and film it for you guys and let you have some motivation. If you've got some things to do, go ahead and let this play in the background, or you can watch it to get some motivation for later. But I'm so glad that you are here today and spending a few minutes with me. Drop me a comment down below and let me know if this is your first video that you are watching on my channel. I'd love to come and say hello. But I'm going to play some music for you and go ahead and get this bed done. But I'll pop back in here in just a couple minutes because I've got something new and neat that I want to share with you guys.
It's the same old story. Nothing in life's for free. I've been living in the dark too long, but I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I might be wrong. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control. Just lose control. It'll be alright, this I know, deep in my soul. So just lose control.
So I was recently sent this pillow to try out, and I figured, why not? I will always try something if it helps me sleep at night, and if it helps my neck or back pain, I'm totally down for it. So upon receiving it on the box, it's going to tell you all of the pillow benefits, all of the ways that it's going to help you sleep better at night and get a restful night's sleep, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Also, when I opened the box, it had a little care instruction guide inside telling you how to clean it, how to take care of it, how to make it last longer. And I love these little things when they're kind of like vacuum sealed. I don't know why, it just totally makes me giggle. I just love opening those things. So once I did open it, I let it set for probably about 10 or 15 minutes just to make sure that it had completely opened up and got filled with the air and that it was ready to try out. This thing, you guys, is so incredibly soft. I don't even think that you would need to put another pillowcase over it, but you are more than welcome to. It's so sleek in its design and it's so comfortable. You guys know that I have been on a journey to help me sleep better at night and also help relieve some of my back pain as well. And with Sutera's orthopedic contour pillow, I am definitely on the right track. The Sutera Dream Deep Memory Foam Pillow helps support proper spinal alignment and is perfect for side, back, and stomach sleepers. I personally am a stomach sleeper, and I know that is not the best way to sleep, but I inevitably always end up that way. I'm constantly trying to get my arms situated under my pillow to make my neck comfortable, and with this pillow, it already does that for me. There are arm wings to offer comfort for side and stomach sleepers, and the neck nook provides proper spinal alignment, and the butterfly design helps support any sleep position. I love that it also has an amazingly soft cover that is also removable and washable, and with this pillow, you could be well on your way to a blissful 8 hours of sleep every night with its high density active bliss memory foam and its cooling breathable material. Since receiving this pillow, I have slept on it for about a week now, and to be honest with you, when I get up in the morning, I don't feel nearly as drained and tired. My back pain has dramatically decreased, and it's just a comfortable pillow. I'm going to be honest with you. Normally I flip-flop around in the middle of the night, and I have not been doing that either. So if you are looking for something to help you sleep or to help you with any of those pains and issues like I have, definitely go and check them out. I'm going to leave the link to this pillow in my description box as well, and they have also been kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. That way you can snag one of these pillows at a great deal. So moving back on into the bedroom, I'm going to go ahead and dust down all of my furniture. And because I just wanted to do this quickly, I just grabbed my duster and I went ahead and sprayed some Pledge on that. Instead of getting my rag out and just taking everything off and dusting that way, I find that this really does help and it makes a big difference. And if I want to do something quickly, that's the way I'm going to go about it. So I'm just going to go ahead, like I said, and move on around all of the furniture and get that stuff wiped down. On this day that I filmed this video, we were actually going out with some friends, but I really didn't want to come home to a dirty house that evening. So this is what I decided to do. Just go ahead and do a quick clean with me. And that way I didn't have to spend all day doing it. But I wanted to know in the comments, do you guys like these really quick speed clean with me's, or do you prefer the longer, more in-depth clean with me's? I do both, but I kind of always do like to ask and see what you guys prefer. So let me know down in the comments if you do like the speed cleans or if you like the longer ones better.
To talk to me is what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something.
Now I've moved on into the living room and I'm just grabbing my blankets and putting them in the washing machine. But I wanted to ask you guys something. If you remember, I bought this little plant last year from Walmart and I got it for a discounted price. And it was because I don't know if you remember, but it just would not stand up straight. So I don't know if you can see, but I took some fishing line right there and tied it to the handle and it just still would not stay up. And I was going to dump it, but look, there's like a brand new little plant growing out of there. So I don't know what to do. I don't know whether I need to take the big one out and just dump it and let the other one grow, because I cannot keep this thing alive. I have been trying so hard. Like, I've moved it in and out of the direct light. I've changed the way I watered it. I've looked things up online. I just don't know what to do for the poor thing. Like I said, when I got it, it wasn't good. So I'm surprised that I've kept it alive that long. But with that little new growth in the bottom of the pot, I don't know what to do. So if you guys are plant people and you have some advice for me, please leave it in the comments, because I really don't want to throw the plant away. When I did my fall front porch video, I threw some of those plants away, and you would not believe how many people messaged me and was like, I can't believe you did that. And I was like, they were dead. So I'm just not, I love plants, but I cannot keep them alive to save my life. So I would really prefer not to have to throw that one out, but I don't know what to do. So again, if you know what to do, please tell me below, because I don't want to get rid of it whatsoever. But moving on to the actual cleaning motivation, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up in here and vacuum, and then we will move on into the kitchen.
To think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? You make me let's go out when I see you moving. Like me up, I love when you grow like that. Could be us, kissing in the moonlight. I'm just saying, if I was your girl.
Now we're in here in the kitchen getting everything wiped down. So if you saw me kind of pause when I was loading the dishwashers because I couldn't remember if they were clean or dirty, and they were dirty, obviously. But I do honestly wish sometimes that cleaning house went as fast as this video does. But in all honesty, I really do find that cleaning is therapeutic to me. If you've been around long enough, I'm sure you probably know that I've talked about my brain just goes a million miles a minute and it never shuts off. So cleaning and stuff like this and dance parties like that just really gives me time to like think about stuff and process things. And I'm getting a lot of stuff done in the meantime. So I don't mind cleaning. I actually really do love it. Sometimes there are days where I'm like, yeah, no, I don't want to do that, and I won't. So I don't know. I think everybody's different, but it's very therapeutic for me. So I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me and, you know, kind of being here for the show and all that good stuff. I really do appreciate you. And I know that I say that at the end of every video, but I really do. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys. I've made some extremely great friends, and I'm actually just choking up talking about it. But yeah, I do appreciate you. These last 2 years that I've been here on YouTube has just been a ride, and I cannot tell you how excited it makes me to do these videos for you guys and upload them and see your comments and meet new people. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. But enough of that. We are going to get finished cleaning in here, and I will talk to you guys again in just a minute.
One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, fancy car. You're insatiable, and that's true. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals, but you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. You don't need no pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. You start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body be. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy.
So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up by putting some wax melts into my warmers. These are some Yankee Candle ones, and it's just like first fall day or something like that. They smell exceptionally well. It's actually time for me to go and buy some more because I'm almost out of all of my wax melts, but the house is all nice and clean. Again, I'm so glad that you guys decided to come and spend some time with me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope it gave you some motivation to spend a few minutes and get some things tidied up around your house. But as always, I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.